Hello everyone. I'm deciding to join the Travel Influencers Club. No, sorry. Actually, I'm not joining the Travel Influencers, but instead today I'm going to unbox quickly with you this box which I just got from OMICRON Labs and which contains a Bode 100, which is an impedance analyzer. And yes, it ships in this transportation box, which makes storing the unit when you don't need it much easier. So, well, what do we see here? Highly sensitive electronic equipment. So, let's cut right in and see what these fine people from my former home country sent me. It's a bit... Using the wrong tool always has funny side effects. But you see, it's a very sturdy box. And you see they also put tags in here to really make sure that the stuff arrives undamaged. So probably I will have to cut into the box a little bit, causing more damage. I normally want to recycle these, but I think today is not the day for false economy. So let's cut in here in the first place. And yes, here we see the hooks and also the usual paper from UPS. And what do we find here? Lots and lots of packaging materials. And then we have my Bode 100 box. So, and this is my edition of the jump box. You see one of these sadly is missing. Maybe I will 3D print another one because you see the construction is actually pretty simple. And so here we are. I got one probe, I got the software suite, I got the actual device, and I got the impedance testing adapter for through-hole parts, which I already mentioned a few times. And one thing which is very interesting is that this foam insert here is always intended for the maximum product. And if you get a smaller selection, like what I did, then you simply have a few cutoffs which you don't need. Because I decided to only take the through-hole edition and to work with my own maintenance adapters, because generally, this is something I will discuss later, I prefer using the PCBs because the surface mount components can't get away so easily. But yes, this is the adapter. And then finally, here we have the actual Bode 100. And then as we go here below, we get the usual assortment of B and C cables. And then here we get the calibration kit. You see, in my case, because I only have through-hole, I only get this calibration PCB, which I'm going to look at a later date. And then finally, I always get a quartz filter. This is mainly for playing around a bit with the board if you want to, so you can get started easily. But this is for another day. Oh, and yes, of course, the power supply, which is here. And the usual assortment of splitters and other things. And yes, this is the Bode 100. You see it's here. So I got mine, and in the next few weeks I'm going to do some testing and I will report back shortly. If you have any questions about the Bode 100, let me know. And in the meantime, thank you so much for watching.